This is the main topics page, a visual way to understand the themes most mentioned in consumer feedback. The first column shows whether the comment is a compliment or a complaint. The second column displays the topic automatically captured by the tool. The following columns represent each of the companies analyzed in the project. The cell colors indicate the volume of mentions for that topic in each company. The darker the color, the higher the number of comments on that topic. When you hover over any cell, you'll see a summary with company name, topic, and number of mentions. If the project you're analyzing includes establishments, just go to the side menu about establishments. There, you'll find the same information, but broken down by each establishment. If the project you're analyzing includes products, just go to the side menu about products. There, you'll find the same information, but broken down by each product. The main topics page is ideal for identifying what consumers talk about most and quickly comparing your company with competitors. And if you want to go even further and get a summary of your company's strengths and weaknesses, as well as which competitors are threats or opportunities, then click on the next item in the menu, SWOT analysis. We'll explore this feature in the next video.